How to delete Hamster Kombat account. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to delete your Hamster Kombat account. Deleting your Hamster Kombat account is permanent. Once you go down this path, there's no turning back. Your game progress, achievements, and any purchases you've made will be gone forever. So, make sure you're absolutely positive before we proceed. So, to delete Hamster Kombat account. First, launch the Hamster Kombat app and let it fully load. Look for the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. It usually resembles a gear or cog. Tap on that icon to open your account settings. Within the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Delete Account. Tapping on Delete Account will bring up a confirmation message. This message will clearly state that all your game data will be permanently erased. If you're absolutely sure you want to delete your account, tap on Delete in the confirmation message. This will permanently remove your Hamster Kombat account. And this is how to delete Hamster Kombat account. If you have any questions about Hamster Kombat, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.